The ARM charge piping kit is the next purchase that you need for your Mark 7 build. The factory Volkswagen charge pipe is restrictive, made from plastic, and cutting off power to your engine. Our charge pipe is fully aluminum with wrinkled black coating and will unleash the full potential of your turbo. An impressive increase from 1.5-inch plastic to 2.5-inch aluminum increases airflow and results in faster turbo spool, leading to more power. There's even an 1/8-inch NPT fitting for those of you using nitrous or methanol injection if you're feeling really fruity. We're looking to get a little squirrely. I'm trying to add a little something in there. For those of you ready to tango. Upgraded charge piping is a must-have for any Mark 7 enthusiast ready to take their build to the next level. Head over to ourmotorsports.com to get yours today, and don't forget to use the code in the description for 10% off yours.